So in this video, I'm going to show you how it is to create recording for your company's fire alarm so that they are compliant with industry standard. This video will guide you through every step that needs to happen before, during, and after testing an alarm system. The step includes identifying that all smoke detector on sites, locating any areas where might be false detection of problems, such as cooking vapor and any other sources of interference, near the detector location, and then finally performing live sound tests from each area using our handy app. And so you can do that easily using this checklist. So we recommend to do that on a weekly basis